example of case. And the problem here that the enhancement of lumen is not very bright and very close to some veins, and for example here. So using food filling will lead to involving too much of surrounding tissue. And for such cases, we also have some trick how to speed the process, speed up this process. So as far as you remember, in this folder you have also, just a second, you have some masks already prepared for us, and maybe some of you already have worked with total segmentator module on 3D Slicer. It helps to segment many organs automatically. Of course, it might be not very precise, but anyway, it's good for pre-segmentation. And for cases with really bad contrast enhancement, I'd like my suggestion is to use this tool. So see how it works. I just add this many segmentations. I also would like to add here, just a second. I also like to add here this segmentation of bones. I will explain you why. So I change, don't forget to change this description to segmentation. And even though it's overlapped, I go now to this data, and let's check what I need here or not. So sometimes when you have many arteries inside the parenchyma, you can you can also use these masks of organs and use the threshold of exact organs, and it might be also helpful. In this case, I like this pre-segmentation of artery, even though it includes a bit these thrombotic masses. So and here in the bottom of image, I have this bifurcation to common iliac arteries, and this is to another segments. So what I want to do now, I want to find the right segments, because there is no description of what organ is segmented, and I see the aorta is light blue, so I just try to check using this eye. I want to check where is aorta segmentation. So it might take some time, but finally I find it, and I should rename it. I can also call it aorta, it doesn't matter. And now I want to find this iliac, common iliac arteries. So let's, okay, 1 and 2. Okay, iliac 1, iliac 2. For this case, I don't need any other organs. So what I am going to do is removing of unnecessary segments. I just choose I use shift and then I delete these no-named segmentations. You see, it's more than 100, so it might be really difficult to work when you have so many of them. So, and I see this segment. I want to put it here together. Okay. Oh, yeah, sorry.